Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. This is the channel where I review anything and everything. If I need it, I'll buy it, I'll use it, and I will review it. And today we will be doing a comparison review between these two equipment here, chest expander or arm twister as some people would also call it. I already made an first impression video, an unboxing video of both of these. I will link those video on the description below so that you can check them out more. Today I am going to decide which one of these equipment right here I am going to keep and which one of them I am going to send back. I'm only keeping one because these two items right here is very similar when it comes to functionality. The grips may be different here and there. They also target the same muscle group. It may be different sides of that muscle group, but fairly the same muscle group. This one, of course, is from YES4ALL. This is their hydraulic design chest expander, and this one right here is from a company called XINRUI. Right, this is the U-shape spring design chest expander right here. The spring is inside this rubber housing right here. Now this one, the YES4ALL, the weight equivalent capacity goes all the way to 440 pounds, but with my experience with it, I don't think it is 440 pounds, right? I can easily go to the setting there, 16 to 20. It shows that it is for professional bodybuilder, right, or athlete, and it is all the way to 440 pounds. It's definitely heavier or has that pressure, but I don't think it is 440 pounds. This one right here advertised to go all the way to 132 pounds, and again, I don't think it is 132 pounds. These equipments advertise to target the chest, the shoulders, the bicep, the tricep, the back, and also the inner thigh, right? But of course it is able to do a lot more than that with some ingenuity and whatever things you can come up with, but primarily it targets those muscle group. The ideal usage for these equipments is when you are on a trip, right, or you're at work. You can do some workout during break time, but primarily I bought this one when I'm going on a trip where I cannot get a hold of an actual rack and workout equipment. I will still use these equipments right here, whichever one I will keep, even though I am not on a trip, right? So I would still use them primarily to warm up and also as a finisher. When I was doing the testing for these two items right here, I was doing just that. All right, so without further ado, which one of these am I keeping and which one is going back to the store? And I don't know if it's been obvious to you guys which one I would choose, but it would have to be the YES4ALL chest expander right here. And the primarily reason why I like this one better than the XINRUI right here is primarily the versatility, right? This one is also versatile, but this one can offer a lot more, especially when it comes to the setting right here. You do feel an increase in pressure or in difficulty, right, as you raise the weight level here, or this setting right here, right? With this one right here, you only have two difficulty setting, right? You got the longer version and you have the shorter version, and that's all you get. And this one also is noisier, like way noisier than the other one, right? And it feels like I've already worn this one out, right? I can feel some lopsiding here going on. So I don't know long term how long this one would last. I actually also reversed this one to where, you know, for this one right here, the grip is facing you. I have also reversed it to where instead of just the spring here bending this way, I've also reversed it so that it'll bend that way, and it feels already lopsided, like it's been used up for several years, right? So it feels weak, right? That's the best way I could describe it. The grip though is a lot easier and more comfortable, right, to hold than this one right here. But this one had just so much things to offer. It is also shorter when it comes to length, right? It is way shorter, right? You're looking at maybe 5-7 inches shorter, right? It's more compact also. This one can be more compact when you're traveling because you can detach the handles. Yeah, both of these handles detach, and this area right here is just that long right there, so it can fit in your backpack, right? So this one right here has these what's it called, locking mechanism right here, so that it can be more compacted. The distance of this one, right, when it comes to width, when you're gripping it, the distance is the same as the XINRUI one, right? It's the same distance right here. So there's not, I mean, I guess it's good enough range of motion for me. I don't know if you are taller with longer arms, if that would give you some sort of difficulties, right? This one is way smoother, or I should say quieter, than the other one, right? And also I noticed using this one compared to the XINRUI one, this one targets my abs way better than the other one, right? I failed to mention that on the first impression review and for the unboxing review. This one targets my abs because as you're pressing it together, I notice myself cringing my abs or sucking my abs in, and you know, after I've done 12 sets of this one, I could feel my abs, you know, hurting, right? That kind of burn kind of hurt, not the injury kind of hurt. So it feels like I've done some setups as well. So I will be keeping this one. And also when it comes to pricing, this one is $5 cheaper than the XINRUI one. The XINRUI one at the time of purchase was at $32.69. That is the same price today. This one was at $27.89 at the time of purchase, right? And at the making of this video also just a little bit higher, but by the time you're watching this video, the price probably gonna be either flipped to where this one is cheaper and this one is more expensive. So just kind of bear that in mind. But you're looking at $5 difference, right? XINRUI is $5 more expensive than the YES4ALL. So I think there you have it, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions about this product right here, the YES4ALL hydraulic chest expander. I will try to answer any questions that you might have about the XINRUI right here. I will be returning this today, so I will not be able to test it when you guys have you know, a specific question. I'll try my best though to answer it. This grip right here is difficult to do a chest expander right here. Like I can't bend it. I think the reason why this thing is here is when you're doing bicep curls, right? You can lean your elbow in it, right, or your forearm. You can lean your elbow on this side right here with that, and you can easily do some curls right there. So I hope that this video has been a help to all of you. If you have any questions, once again, comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you have not already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching, spending your time here, and I will see all of you on the next one.